Hello students, today I'm going to do a question which I have taken from the algebra of class 10, and the question is given as solve 5 to the power x plus 1 plus 5 to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to 126. Solution is like this. Here you can see that this 5 is base and this 5 also base. In the power of 5 you have x plus 1. In the power of this 5 you have power 2x minus 1. So this can be solved like this. That means this term can be written as 5 to the power x dot 5 to the power 1, and this plus 5 as it is, and here 5 to the power 2 dot 5 to the power x is equal to 126. And as you know, now we can consider here, let 5 to the power x is equal to a. If you take 5 to the power x is equal to a, then this term can be written as, in place of 5 to the power x you can write a dot 5 to the power 1 mean only 5, and 5 to the power 2, that means 5 5s are 25. Now here you can see 5 to the power minus x. In order to remove this minus, you can write this term like 1 by 5 to the power x is equal to 126, or this can be written as 5a plus 25 over times 1 over, in place of 5 to the power x you can write a, because 5 to the power x is equal to a we have already considered. So 126, or now you can see 5a plus 25 ones are 25 over a is equal to 126. Now just below of the 25 here is a, but in the denominator of 5a there is nothing, then we must consider that there is 1. So you should take LCM between 1 and a, so a will be the LCM. Now this a which is taken as LCM is not divisible by this 1, so you can multiply 5a with a. If you do so, you will get 5a squared. Now this LCM a is divisible by this a, so answer will be 1. So 25 ones are 25 is equal to 126, and you can see here 5a square plus 25, 5a square plus 25, 126 into a, 126a. You will get like this if you do cross multiplication. And now, or 5a square, when this term 126a comes to the left of is equal to, sign of 126 will be minus 126a, and this plus 25 is equal to 0. Now you have to factorize this term. You have to factorize. In order to factorize, you should know one idea that first of all you should multiply this 25 last term, this is constant, and this one 5 is the coefficient of a square. If you multiply 5 into 25, it will be 125. But as you know, 125 has the factor 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 to the power 3. So also you can write like this. Here 5 into 5 mean 25 into 5. That means this 125 has the factor 25 into 5. 25 into 5. Okay, so if you multiply 25 into 5, you will get 125. So you should use this trick here. Here you can see, if you factorize 5a square is 5a square, but this 126a, that is 126a, can be written as minus 125a minus a plus 25 is equal to 0. Now you should take common. You should take common from this term and this term. From this first term, you can see between 5a square and minus 125a, a is common, so you can take a as common. Now if you take a as common, then you will get 5a and here we can take common 5a. If you take 5a common here, then only a will remain in this term, a minus, that means if you divide 125 with this 5, answer will be 25. Now since a is taken common, this one a and this one a has taken are taken as common, so here is a and minus only 25, minus between a and 25 there is 1 as common, so a minus 25 is equal to a. And for this step, here you can see a minus 25 both are common, so a minus 25 and 5a minus 1, 5a minus 1 is equal to 0. Now either a minus 25 is equal to 0, which can be written as equation first, or 5a minus 1 is equal to 0, which can be written as equation 2. Now from equation 1, you can see that a minus 25 is equal to 0. In place of a, you have already considered as 5 to the power x. When this minus 25 goes another side of is equal to, it will change into plus, so that is positive 25, or 5 to the power x is equal to, it is the square of 5, so 5 square. Now you can see this 5 and this 5 are base, they cancel out each other, so this implies x is equal to 2. Similarly, from equation 2, you can see that 5a is equal to 1, or 5 mean 5, and in the place of a you can write 5 to the power x is equal to 1, or this 5 to the power x is 5 to the power x is equal to 1 over, when this 5 goes another side it will be written like this, and 1 by 5 is equal to 5 to the power 1. This can be written as 5 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power minus 1. This 5 and this 5 are base, so this implies that x is equal to minus 1, and already we have obtained x is equal to 2, so x is equal to minus 1 and 2 are answer.